What's up, ladies and gentlemen, gypsies, hippies, hipsters, just shives, apostles, and rostas? I'm My Revive 420. And today, we got Almond Rave Macaroon coming in at 21 cents, reduced price. I swear one of the residents here are one of my subscribers, because there's always shit like this when I come in on a Monday morning, or there's always something for me to try. I think if it's just pure coincidental, then that's cool. But, Chet, if this is for you, or Glenn, this is for you, or Lonnie, maybe this is for you, I don't know. First impression, smells almondy, looks macaroony, 21-cent macaroon. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 6 out of 10. It's very almondy. Have a great day.